principal का size will be 25. जो भी उनको कहना है। और एक पंखा उधर का चलाओगे?
Principal madam,
has your photographer, videographer has reached? Ma'am, you are muted. Ma'am, please unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. He is setting up the system. I have sent the link to him and just requesting for joining the link, for joining the meeting.
Ma'am, by that time, if you could just show us the maths lab, you know, the area and all, because maths lab.
Okay, sure, ma'am.
You have some document of your maths lab?
Yes, ma'am. We have the list of materials that we are having in maths lab.
Okay. And what is the area of maths lab, ma'am?
It's approximate, ma'am, 48 square feet.
Okay. Are you sure it is 48?
Yes, ma'am. 500
Just
square feet, ma'am. 500 square feet. The room is 500 square feet.
So it is 48 square meter.
Meter, yes, yes.
Yeah.
Meter,
So
sorry.
you mentioned
Yeah.
square feet. That's what I was wondering.
Right. Sorry.
प्रिंसिपल मैडम मेजरमेंट टेप विथ साथ में रख लीजिएगा, मेजरमेंट भी करना पड़ेगा मैथ लैब का ना, आप पहले रख लीजिएगा जी। यस,
बिल्कुल सर।
मैंने एडमिट कर दिया आपके वीडियोग्राफर को।
ओके,
आप उनको गाइड कर दीजिए।
ओके, so should we start from the gate, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. You'll also have to accompany the photographer.
Yes, please. From the gate.
Yes, sure, ma'am.
अपना मीटिंग टेप चले ऑडियो भी आएगी, नहीं फिर हो जाएगी। प्रिंस सर आपको कनेक्ट करना पड़ेगा फोन से। तो पिछली बार की पिछली बार आया था तो हाँ जी मैं ही आया था। तुम्हें पता नहीं था सबर तो खाना है। नहीं जी हमें तो सुबह ही कॉल आया था, अभी थोड़ी देर पहले। नहीं उसने नहीं किया ना मेरे पास। सवेरे इंतजार करके सारे तो लगे क्या हुआ है। ये गेट से एंट्री करती है जैसे नहीं।
And this is the entry gate. The address is mentioned there.
Ma'am, we cannot see, it is not visible. We can just see your office. That's it. You'll have to, yes. Ma'am? Rajni ma'am?
She's
Please.
also on mute.
No, no, she has left her office and she has moved out at the entrance. So she is with the videographer, I suppose, but their camera is not on.
I don't see
Rajni ma'am?
anything.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
I'm
your
with the cameraman, ma'am.
now, right. But we cannot see, if you could just show us the gate, the main entrance.
आपका ये visible नहीं है कुछ भी.
ऊपर गेट विजिबल
No, I think his camera is not working. It's not on.
Yeah, because I see a very different interface right now.
Yeah, now it is perfectly fine. Now it's visible.
अब हो गया.
Yeah, now we can
Yes,
visit.
ma'am.
We can
Now
see.
the
Yes.
school
Yeah,
gate
now
is
we can
visible,
see.
ma'am. थोड़ा सा पीछे करो ना पूरा स्कूल दिखना चाहिए.
पूरा गेट
हाँ, पूरा गेट दिखे. Right. Yes, ma'am. You can start, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Show the boundary wall.
Yeah. What is the height of the boundary wall, ma'am?
Ma'am, 6 feet plus है ma'am.
Okay. If you could show us, right.
Seven feet. Ma'am, 7 feet. Close the plate.
There's a white border on it.
Acha, there's a white border. That's what I was wondering. Till red it was not. It
Yeah,
didn't
we
see
saw,
that.
I could see
Yes,
only the
ma'am.
red.
Yellow portion is also there.
Yes, perfectly fine.
Okay.
I also couldn't make it out. Okay, it is. I thought it's still red.
I'm 6 feet.
Yes. Perfectly
Let's
fine.
go ahead.
Yes, ma'am. Show the parking area.
Ma'am, the wall is 6 feet out here also?
Yes,
Because you don't
ma'am.
have the white boundary here.
Yes,
This
ma'am.
boundary
ये
wall
भी
doesn't
ma'am
have the white
7
patch.
feet है.
Okay,
एक बार
fine,
measure
fine.
करके
हाँ, ये वाली अगर measure कर देंगे क्योंकि वहाँ पे white था patch.
बिल्कुल.
Here we can't see the
Sure.
border. No, this now we can see he's standing. So I think it would be somewhere 6.7.
7 feet, ma'am.
Okay, perfectly fine, ma'am.
Okay. ऊपर से दिखाओ स्कूल का नेम.
We can go inside the campus.
Yes, ma'am.
Inside the building, we can move.
And this is ramp at the entrance. This is the reception area. एक बार चारों तरफ दिखा दो.
Ma'am, we would like to go to the maths lab first.
Okay, okay, sure, ma'am.
Or if you have a computer lab.
Yes, ma'am.
First,
We
you
have
can
all
show
the labs
accordingly.
on the first floor, and we are moving through them.
Okay.
But if CWSN washrooms are not on the ground floor?
Yes, ma'am. We have CWSN on the ground floor.
So you show us the CWSN
Yes, ma'am.
washroom first.
Yes, ma'am. CWSN toilet.
So where is the girls solution?
Only this single bar that is there?
Ma'am, we have 3 washrooms CWSN on the ground floor and 2 on the first floor.
I am repeating again and again.
So is this demarcated as girls washroom or the boys washroom?
Ma'am, this is the common washroom and we have one separate for boys and one separate for girls.
But ma'am, you just have one bar. If you can take this inside.
Yes, ma'am. Or under leg.
Sir, ask cameraman to move the camera very slowly, sir.
This is boys.
Ma'am, do we have to show other CWSN also? We have 2 on first floor also.
Yes, we can see the next one also. We would like to see.
Okay.
This is boys. If you
Please cover the rest of the point and
Ma'am, you were saying it's a common one, but it's mentioned boys.
Yes, ma'am.
so there is computer lab, math lab, composite lab. So please cover all these points and show us the signage also where it is written lab library. Sir, what you are going to show, sir? So what you are going to show, sir? So there is written, sir. Here it is written. It's only अरे सर कोई बात नहीं अच्छी बात ठीक है ठीक है तुरंत अभी खुल जाओ अभी खुल जाओ
Now we are moving on the first floor, ma'am, through ramp.
करना है नहीं तो ठीक है सर आप करिए प्लीज
Ma'am, this is one boys CWSN on the first floor. And this is CWSN girls washroom, ma'am. Focus on math lab. Ma'am, this is our math lab. ये सारे जो कैबिनेट्स हैं ये सब कवर करो. टेबल, स्टोरेज एरिया, ये सारा मैम हमने ऑब्जेक्शन के बाद न्यू कंस्ट्रक्ट किया है. ये कैबिनेट्स वगैरह, ये रैक्स.
We first of all measure the lab.
Yes, ma'am. Measure the lab.
Let's measure the lab.
Yes, ma'am. एक बार मेजरिंग टेप से एक बार मेजर कर.
20. Principal madam.
20.3.
Principal madam.
Rajini ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
मैडम आप कैमरे को फोकस कीजिए, मैजिंग टेप पे स्टार्टिंग से और एंड तक दिखाइए पूरा वीडियोग्राफी करते हुए.
फोकस करो स्टार्टिंग से.
फोकस.
वहां से स्टार्टिंग से पहले कैमरा फोकस करो. एक कॉर्नर पे खड़े होके पूरा फोकस करो, यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक.
We should be able to see the entire.
Yes. अब वहां जाके फोकस करो कितना है.
Twenty.
Yes, ma'am.
5.1. That means 6, 8, 12, 4, 24.
अब दूसरी तरफ से भी एक बार मेजर करके दिखा दो. ऐसे. पहले वहां से फोकस करो. अब पूरा इसको घुमाते हुए वहां ले जाओ. 20.4. Is it okay, ma'am?
It is 20.4 and the earlier was
25.3.
25.3.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Our all rooms are of this size, ma'am. Classrooms and math lab.
Okay.
Cover all these cabinets. ये सारा cabinets और ये racks ये सारे cover.
500 तो नहीं होगा ये.
Ma'am, can we have a look at the stock register also? You must have entered all these things in that.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, where is the stock register? Ma'am, this is the list of math lab material. Yes, ma'am, we have kept those registers in the cabinet, and I'm just showing you the list of mass lab material.
Ma'am, are we not having that stock register where the entry of these things
Yes,
are there?
ma'am, we are having the stock register. वो भी नीचे कैबिनेट में है मैम, बस अभी हम लेकर आ रहे हैं.
Right. And can you just open up those, there the storage cabinets, ma'am? If you could open them. Not these.
Ma'am,
On
we
the
have displayed all the things on the table. The cabinets are, there is nothing
if you could
in
open
the
the,
cabinet. Yes, ma'am, we have kept all the material on these racks and on the table.
Ma'am, can you show us any file
And
where, the practicals that have been done and how many times the students have been brought here?
Ma'am, once a week, every class visit the mass lab.
And is there seating facility? I didn't see stools or chairs anywhere. If you can just show that to us, please.
Yes, sure, ma'am.
Because I don't see any chairs for the children.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So where is the stock kept? It's all outside on display.
Mark page on there. Yes, ma'am. Designer factor. Okay.
Yeah, this is what we need to see, the stock register.
Yes.
So if you can show us that list you showed just now, you showed a printed list.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you show us where the tangrams have been?
Yeah, show one.
The thermometers also, if you could show it to us.
Pick any one item and show us in the register, please.
Yeah.
Sorry, ma'am, I'm not getting.
You've got, if you hold the camera on that, you've got PVC charts. Can you show where it is in your stock register?
Yes, ma'am.
PVC charts.
These are, ma'am, PVC charts. That is on three. There are
three.
four.
And how many? And ma'am had asked for tangrams. If you can show that to us.
Which one, ma'am? Tangrams?
Yes, ma'am had asked to show tangrams.
We are not having, maybe.
मैम क्या नाम बताया था आपने?
Tangrams, ma'am. Do you have it or no? Or you can show us where do you have this thermometer mounted?
Thermometer.
If you could just,
Yes.
if you could just show us the wall thermometer where it is mounted. If you could just, okay, because you have written 3 thermometers. If you could show us, okay. Where are the other ones, ma'am? One is this. What about the others that have been mentioned in the stock register?
Ma'am, other 2 are in stock.
So where are they placed?
Ma'am, thermometer, there is only entry of 1 thermometer, ma'am. Entry nahi hai.
Ma'am, show the bill also there. It was mentioned.
Ma'am, there is wall thermometer only 1.
And what about the stock register? Show that stock register where, ma'am, chemical thermometer is also written just beneath the wall thermometer. There is written chemical thermometer.
Yes, ma'am. Chemical thermometer. I think it must be misplaced.
Ma'am, misplaced. See, you see, just bring it, just see stock register, thermometer, wall thermometer, and chemical thermometer, where you have mentioned two, one thermometer and the stock becomes two. So if you could
Yes.
show us the chemical thermometer also.
Let me check, ma'am.
There's no one who's handling this mathematics lab, ma'am. You have someone, person responsible for this lab, or the teacher who's taking care of this lab?
Yes, ma'am. We have maths teacher, but he has joined some government job. So we have appointed a new teacher.
Okay. So
मैम
you are
आप
not aware of
बताइए
the second thermometer.
आप बताओ मैम केमिकल थर्मामीटर मैम आप और क्या पूछ रहे थे इसके बारे में
मैम केमिकल थर्मोमीटर एक तो दिखा दीजिए एक टैंग्राम पूछा था आई थिंक यू आर नॉट हैविंग इट
नो मैम
हैविंग द
टैंग्राम नहीं है मैम नहीं
ओके ओके तो मैम आगे स्टॉक रजिस्टर करेंगे एक और पेज थोड़ा सा पलटेंगे
बिल्कुल मैम
हाँ मैम कैन वी सी व्हाट आर दीस स्किप काउंटिंग बोर्ड कैन यू शो अस और हाँ स्किप काउंटिंग बोर्ड
यस मैम कहाँ है मैम हाँ दिखा दो
okay fine ma'am right ma'am ma'am can you tell the videographer to go at the entrance and so that we can see the entire lab in one go
yes sure ma'am is this the chemical thermometer that we are having
yes ma'am
yes ma'am
this is actually
yes ma'am yes ma'am this is the chemical thermometer
although it's not required in mathematics but it's perfectly fine
yes ma'am thank you ma'am आप यहाँ
yes
कॉर्नर
ma'am if
पे
you
आ
could
जाओ
just
पूरा
go to the
व्यू दे दो लैब
entrance
का हाँ बिल्कुल एंट्रेंस पे कैमरा पूरा फोकस कर दो पूरा
ma'am if you could just tell us again the size of the lab because what you have mentioned is 23.5
and total area is 500 square feet 25.3 into 20.4
okay it is around 516 perfectly fine
yes.
right ma'am
Yes
right okay so ma'am these chairs they are permanently placed here
yes ma'am all we have sufficient furniture in our all labs and classrooms actually we have just maximum 15 to 20 number of students in each class
and how many chairs are here if you could just let us count the number of chairs
ma'am there are 11 chairs
ma'am then how can you how you are able to accommodate 15 doing the practicals or maths lab activity
actually maximum strength is 10 to 12 only
right now you mentioned it 15 to 20 16 to 20
actually ma'am but higher classes mein we are having 20 but in lower classes we are having 20 students in lower classes we are having 10 5 and 8
so if you could just let me know let us know the strength of each class ma'am what is the number in grade 3 what is the strength in grade 3
it's 20 to 25 around ma'am 20 24
and third class again the same
yes ma'am in
and
fourth onwards we have less number of students
and fifth so which all classes do you bring to the maths lab which all classes visit maths lab ma'am yeah
fifth onwards ma'am वैसे अगर टीचिंग एड का जरूरत होता है तो मैम यहाँ से क्लासरूम में ले जाते हैं जिनकी स्ट्रेंथ ज्यादा है जैसे कुछ फ्रैक्शंस करवाना है या कोई और टीचिंग एड है
Aparna ma'am you can unmute yourself you're muted
yes can you hear me
Yeah, you're audible.
But my feeling is the chairs were not there when we began.
Yeah. That's another thing.
Which means is the lab functional at all? Let's go ahead. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, because it says here also that it looks like a classroom. Anyway, let's go ahead.
Yes. Can we move to the
Let's
composite
go to
lab?
the computer lab.
Yes, sure, ma'am.
Yeah,
Composite science lab. Ma'am, first of all, can we measure it? Yes, composite science lab. If we can first measure the size of the lab.
Yes. Ma'am, measuring tape. पहले फोकस करना है कॉर्नर पे.
We can go to the other end now.
इधर से दिखाओ पूरा घुमा के.
हाँ पूरा. हाँ yes. The other end, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can we see that the other end? If you could just see the marking, we could. I think the connectivity is an issue. If you could, what is the number being?
41. 41, ma'am. 41.1.
And let's have the width also.
Yes,
Breadth.
Ma'am?
18.6. Okay.
18.5 mm.
800 plus. Somewhere around 700 something. Can we have the? Can we see the teacher's demonstration table?
Sorry, ma'am.
Teacher's demonstration table.
Yes, ma'am. Please explain, ma'am.
Exhaust. Fire extinguisher exhaust.
Ma'am, can we see the fire extinguisher as well
Yes,
as
ma'am.
an exhaust fan?
Sure, sure, ma'am. Exhaust fan. Focus करो पूरा exhaust fan पे.
Okay. Fire extinguisher.
पे भी focus करो. Yes.
Can we see the date of expiry and date of filling?
Yes, sure, ma'am.
Where is it? Date 2/25. Right, ma'am. Right, ma'am. Right, ma'am. And is it the spirit lamp or do you have a gas connection, ma'am, in that?
Date पर focus करो.
Ma'am, we have seen the date, ma'am. Can you just let me know whether the burner was, if you could see, show the burner?
Yes, sure, ma'am.
It's a gas connection or what it is? No.
सभी on कर दो.
Okay.
Gas connection. The cylinder is outside the lab.
Okay, it is outside the lab, na?
The wash basins, there is water supply in the wash basin.
This is inside the lab. I'm not able to see that.
Yes, ma'am, it's inside the lab, the composite lab.
Okay. Yeah, in the long shot, you can tell them.
Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am, why have you placed the microscopes near the flame?
Microscope, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Microscope.
No, it shouldn't be placed near the flame because, right, because you mentioned it's a bio segment, right?
Actually,
Yes, ma'am. This is the biology section.
And where's the chemistry section, ma'am?
Yes, sure, ma'am.
Ma'am, can we have a look at the stock register of this lab also?
Yes, sure, ma'am. From the stock register. This is the physics section, ma'am.
Okay.
Stock register.
Ma'am, is this as per the CBSE composite lab SOP, the requirement and all the equipment that you have added to this lab?
Yes.
Because the layout of composite science lab is not the way it has been mentioned in the manual.
Ma'am, you are
Ma'am, can you show the permanent slides of hydrilla and life cycle of silk moth if you have?
Yes, ma'am. Permanent slides of, and these all are permanent slides.
Okay. Right, ma'am. Right, ma'am. Thank you. Do we have two doors? If you could just show us the lab once again. Do we have two doors or it is having one door only?
Two doors. Two doors.
Two doors? Ma'am,
One
can you
is
show
there.
the other door?
From where we
Yes.
entered.
If you could just open up this door also, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So, ma'am, this opens. Acha, there's a computer lab next to it. But it has to be unobstructed. Okay.
This is our computer lab, ma'am.
Ma'am, the one of the door of chemistry, the composite lab was opening in the computer lab, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, right. So if we can see the number of computers.
Yes, ma'am. There are 40 computers. Starting from 1. We have labeled the computers 1, 2, 3, up to 40.
Okay. So, ma'am, stock register of this?
Sorry, ma'am.
The stock register. If we would like to count it once again.
Yes. Yes. एक बार चारों तरफ कवर फोर्टी दिखा दो एक बार.
Ma'am, can we have a look at the fire extinguishers here also? There's no fire extinguisher inside. Okay, carbon dioxide. Rajni ma'am, you are mute.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Can we see the stock register?
Find the stock register. Yes, ma'am. Stock register. Starting from the very first page.
Ma'am, please, if you go to the first page. Okay, can you focus on the computer? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the last date of purchases, ma'am? If you could just focus on the date.
25/5/23. In
Okay.
May 23.
So that means during inspection you were having 40.
Yes, ma'am. Sure, ma'am. We were having 40, but I think the video was not prepared well, so they put the objection.
Okay. What are these 5? Switches. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. LAN switches, ma'am. We have LAN connection here.
Okay, smart TV. Did we see? So
Must be for the demo.
yeah, must be for the 10.
We move to the library, ma'am?
Yes, yes,
anything
yes.
else?
We do. No, no, we would like to move to the library. That's the last.
Okay, okay. There is a fire extinguisher on one more fire extinguisher. Library. Measuring tape layout. Measuring tape. सारा कवर कर लो एक बार. मेजरिंग टेप पे फोकस करो. पूरा मूव करके ले जाओ एक बार.
नीचे जमीन पे रखिए.
जमीन पे रख दो. जमीन पे रख दो.
It's easier to measure also. पूरा फ्लैट करिए.
पूरा नीचे जमीन पे छोड़ के एक बार पूरा फोकस करके दिखा दो.
नीचे लेके
जमीन पे छोड़ दो ना. जमीन पे छोड़ दो. It's 35, ma'am. It's 35.
Yeah. It's not actually 35. It's less than 35.
No, ma'am.
Tight it now.
Tight
थोड़ा
पूरा. हाँ, yes, ma'am. It's complete 35. Camera घुमा
And from the other end, can you show us the other end?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Sure.
Okay.
Okay.
But it is starting from 9.
अब दूसरी साइड से measure करो.
हाँ, it's not starting from 1.
Yeah, it is not starting.
Can you show us the beginning of that tape?
It is less than 9. Yeah, it is less than 35, but.
Ma'am, the requirement is 1200 square feet, but ours is more than 1200.
Okay.
It's more than 1500, ma'am.
Okay. So what is the total length, if you could just show us?
Yes, ma'am. दूसरे एंगल पर ले जाओ. पूरा ये टेप को कवर करो और एंड पॉइंट दिखाओ.
No, not like this, because it's a slant now.
No, not like this. You'll have to show us in a chair space.
Come more.
No, it's going over a table also.
Yes.
Okay, okay.
on the
रैक तक
floor,
दिखा दो.
end to end.
नीचे दिखा दो रैक तक बस. इसको टाइट कर लो थोड़ा सा.
You don't have the others.
No, you have to show end to end on the wall.
End to end. वहां से दिखा दो. फिर यहाँ पे रैक रखे हुए हैं.
I think it is go beyond the rack. Don't take the rack area for measurement. Yeah, you.
अच्छा, रैक को इंक्लूड नहीं करना मैम.
नहीं मतलब what I am talking about is कि आप ऐसी जगह लो
We just
जहाँ
want
पे
to see
rack
wall.
obstruct ना
Okay, okay. Yes, ma'am. हमने कॉर्नर ले लिया है मैम.
Yeah, that would be better if you take the corner. Yes, this is better.
Yes.
कितना है?
This is better.
56. It's complete 56. उसको उधर
So that
घुमा के
was
एक बार पूरा
around
दिखा दो.
35, less than 35 and 36. Just check it out. 3515. That means 1200 से ऊपर.
पूरा ऊपर तक दिखा दो.
Yeah, it is more than 1200. Perfectly fine, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
ये नहीं अभी भी आपका ऐसा ठीक नहीं है because it's a I think it's a stage area.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So that is why it's not going fine, but it's fine. It's more than 1200, right?
Yes, ma'am. Oh.
Now, can we have a look at the reading area, the staff area and all? And number of books, if you could just show. What is the number of books in the library?
Teacher reading area, ma'am. Sure, ma'am. 1918, ma'am. 1917.
1917?
Yes, ma'am.
And ma'am, what
This
is the number of
teacher reading
students? Student strength?
Students, ma'am, 212.
So if you can show us the accession register.
Yes, ma'am. Accession register.
Acha, this is the reading room for teachers.
Focus on this.
Can you go to, turn the page back a bit? Turn back, go backwards. Turn the page. And you have 1886. Can you read out the book name?
1886. पे क्या का नाम लिखा हुआ? Remember everything you read.
What is? You can take out this book.
All right. Can you find this? Can you take this book out, please, from the shelf?
Yes, yes, sure, ma'am. Sure, ma'am.
What is the way of classifying and these books?
कैसे क्लासिफाई किया हुआ मैम? और सब्जेक्ट वाइज किया हुआ मैम. किसको इशू की हुई है?
बुक चाहिए.
इशू कैसे करते हैं बुक्स आप लोग?
मैम वी हैव ERP. मैनुअली भी
So it's
करते हैं मैम.
automated.
ERP फिक्स भी करते हैं.
इशू रजिस्टर भी दिखा दीजिए.
यस मैम. ये बुक किसको इशू की हुई है? कहाँ पर है?
So you couldn't find the book.
She is the librarian, the one who's looking for the book?
Yes, ma'am.
What's her qualification?
I'm lip science, ma'am.
Sorry?
MLib?
Yes, ma'am. I'm lip. बुक तो यही होगी ना, रैक में एक बार देख लो. ये मैम मिल गई. Remember, and this is the book.
If you could just show the number.
Number.
What is the number?
1886.
I hope you don't have those sample books placed inside the library.
No, ma'am.
And how many magazines and newspapers you have prescribed? Subscribed,
6
sorry.
newspapers, ma'am, and
Yeah,
10
sorry.
magazines are there. I'm
10
showing the
magazines?
rack of newspapers. 6 newspapers, ma'am. Focus on these newspapers. The
If you could
Tribune,
name them.
Dainik Jagran, the Tribune, Dainik Jagran, the Times of India, Jagmarg, Dainik Bhaskar, and Punjab Kesari.
And how many encyclopedias you have in the library?
4 encyclopedias are there, ma'am. Idhar aa jaओ.
And autobiographies?
15 autobiographies, ma'am. These are the 4 encyclopedias. These are the
And any self-help books that you possess or you are having in the library? Self-help.
Yes, ma'am. Self-help books.
So the library caters to how many students? The entire school?
These are the help books, ma'am.
212.
Sorry, ma'am.
No, nothing. Help book. No, we are not talking about the help book. We are talking about self-help books. Science.
Actually,
can you show the issue register now? Ma'am had asked for. Can you show us the issue register and the last book issued on? Issue register.
About the self. Sure, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Why is it all the moral value books are, issued? Most of the books are moral values. These are the textbooks, moral value 8, 7, 6.
Story books are also there, ma'am. English literature.
No. If you see maximum, it is coming moral value 7, 6, math 6. These are the textbooks. English literature 8. So these are textbooks.
Yes, ma'am. जैसे स्टोरी बुक्स भी ले रखी है बच्चों ने बीच में, जर्नल बुक्स भी है।
बेटा लास्ट किताब बताना, लास्ट किताब कौन सी किस बच्चे ने इशू करी, कब करी?
मैम 8 अप्रैल को 1842 है, स्टोरी बुक ली है बच्चे ने।
ओके, आपके पास लाइब्रेरी कार्ड जैसे आपको पता चलेगा? लाइब्रेरी कार्ड है आपके पास?
मैम हम बच्चों की ईआरपी पे है ना हमारा।
हाँ, तो ईआरपी एक बार ओपन करके दिखा दीजिए बेटा।
ओके।
डायमेंशन इतना बड़ा। रजनी मैम,
yes ma'am.
Is there any particular reason that you are having a stage in this library? Any particular reason for it?
No ma'am, actually thoda
or it's an activity room converted into library or something of
no,
that
no,
kind?
No ma'am, we have separate activity room here.
Okay. So any particular reason for having a stage in the library?
Not a particular reason, ma'am.
Okay.
Sometimes कोई gathering होती है या कोई workshop seminars होते हैं तो we conduct here.
Okay. Now can you show the same book that was issued and you're shown in the issue register? So you
Sure,
do dual entry. You do dual entry, right? One in the
yes,
ERP and one in in the register as well.
On register. Yes, ma'am.
So manually also.
Manually also.
जो भी आपने एंट्री की है ना वो ERP पे भी दिखा दो।
हाँ जी, जो अभी आपने इशू करी वो ERP में भी दिखा दो।
Sure, ma'am.
You had mentioned 1917 books, right?
Yes, ma'am.
But you have an entry of 1913 books.
Sir, it may be some technical issue. Because
so that means only 8 students have issued the books presently. So only 8 books are out of the library, right?
These are the total number of books, ma'am.
No, I can see on the dashboard.
Yes, ma'am. Issued books
so
are
that means
8.
only
yes,
8 books have been issued, right?
Yes, ma'am. Rest of the books have been returned, ma'am.
If you could show.
एक बार दिखा दो ना
जो आपने रजिस्टर में दिखाया था।
जो रजिस्टर में दिखाया है ना वो इसमें दिखा दो।
Issued books are 16 to staff and 8 to students, as per this. But
And
as per the
whereas we
register,
have
seem
total number
different.
of staff is
Actually, ma'am,
16 only.
The session has started
Yeah.
recently.
So do you have internet connection?
Yes, ma'am, we have.
But presently it is showing no internet.
Just a minute, ma'am. Just a minute.
So let's go by the manual, certainly, since they have. If this can't be reached, then let's look at the manual issue register.
So I think can we see that staff space where they have the reading room for the staff?
Yes,
That's
ma'am.
this is
Reading
mentioned.
area.
Yeah,
हो गया,
reading
ma'am.
area. Could you just show us?
Yes, ma'am. ये चल गया, ma'am. एक बार just have a look.
Chicken licken. Right. Perfectly fine. Which date it is showing? Right. Perfectly fine.
Now move to the
Okay.
teachers reading area. इधर से एक बार व्यू ले लो.
Fine.
Okay.
All points are covered.
Anything else, ma'am?
No, I think all the points have been covered.
Okay, ma'am.
Aparna ma'am, any other point or anything that you would like to?
No, I think we've covered.
Yeah, we have covered all the points. Sir,
I think we.
Sanjeev sir.
यस मैडम कोई इंस्पेक्शन रिपोर्ट जो था उसमें और कोई पॉइंट तो नहीं था इनका?
नहीं सर, ये 6 पॉइंट्स ही थे.
ठीक है. ठीक है. तो अब
यही थे.
अब स्कूल को राइट्स दीजिए मैडम. ये ना डॉक्यूमेंट अपलोड कर देंगे वो अपना सैलरी स्टेटमेंट वाला ना.
राइट सर.
हाँ, इनको आप अपलोड कर दें और फिर मीटिंग को फिर आप स्कूल वालों को बोलते हैं कि आप लीव कर जाएंगे. रजनी मैडम.
यस सर.
आप ऑफिस में आ रहे हैं आप?
हाँ यस सर.
हाँ, ये ऑफिस में आ जाइए. रजनी मैडम.
यस सर।
ओके, थैंक यू मैडम। अब रिव्यू कमेटी मेंबर्स आपको राइट्स दे रहे हैं, आप डॉक्यूमेंट अपलोड कर दीजिएगा जो आपने सैलरी दिखाया था ना थ्रू बैंक ईसीएस, ये आप अपलोड कर दीजिएगा। मेंबर्स आपको परमिशन दे रहे हैं उसके अपलोड करने के लिए, और जितनी जल्दी से हो सके कर दीजिएगा। और मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि आप मीटिंग से अब लीव कर जाएंगे। और डॉक्टर विदु शर्मा जी, अपर्णा जी, मैं रिकॉर्डिंग को ऑफ कर रहा हूँ।
सर अपलोड कहाँ पर करना है, टीम्स पर या कहीं और?
नहीं, अपलोड सरस पे, सरस पे।
सरस पे, अच्छा, ओके ओके।
यस यस यस, ओके। मैं रिकॉर्डिंग को बंद कर रहा हूँ। प्रिंसिपल मैडम, आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप मीटिंग से लीव कर जाइएगा।
ओके ओके ओके, थैंक यू सो मच मैम, थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you, all the very best, Rajni ma'am. You're doing a wonderful job. Keep doing.
All the best.